Hello all. Today I'll be demonstrating our project which is bank management systems. This project comprises of front-end using PHP and back-end development using MySQL. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the main page of our website. This is the login page where there are three functionalities: user login, manager login, and cashier login. The users have already registered into the bank, so they could just log in with their designated email ID and the password. That's it. So this is the login page of the user. Here you could see the bank name and the latest notification from the bank to the user. This page has account summary, transfer money, check notification, and contact us. Here you could see the balance in the user's account. Also, we have account summary section on the top. Again, there is view notice, which means the notice which is sent by the bank to the user. There is an help section for the user where you could send feedback to the bank, and the logout section. Let's see an example of money transfer. This is the transaction history by the user where the money which is transferred from the account, the date, time, and the account number in which the money is deposited are displayed. For example, if I have to transfer money from my account to this account number, I'll have the account details, the bank name, the account holder name, and the account number. If I transfer 1000 rupees to this account, for example, and the transfer is successful, my latest transaction history will be displayed here. My transaction amount, the date, time, and the account number to which the money has been transferred. We will also be able to see the account statements, which means the account deposited, withdrawn, or transferred from my account are displayed here. My recent transaction statement is being displayed at the end. Here are all the notifications which I get from the bank. These are some of my recent notifications from the bank. Here I could transfer or I could give a feedback to the bank. For example, and sent. My message is being sent successfully. Now let's log out from our user login. We'll log in into a manager section. Bank manager has access to all the account types and details of the account holders. So these are all the accounts in my bank. From this page, the manager can also have access to the cashiers from the bank, their passwords, and their account details. If the manager wants to add a new account, the details could be filled out here. For example, the account number is displayed here, the city, email ID, the opening balance or deposit of the user, the contact number, the CNIC number, what type of account the user wishes, if it is current account or saving account. Let's keep it as a current account, the address of the user, the password, the source of income from the user, and the branch to be selected. Here there are 4 branches from Pune, the city Pune. Let's keep it as Varje and save account. So the account is being added successfully. Let's check in the account section. The new account has been added with the opening balance, the branch name, the account number, the account holder name, and the account type. Also the contact number. If the manager wishes to delete the account from the bank, he can easily delete it from here. Now, if the user sends a feedback to the bank, as demonstrated earlier, these are the feedback. If the manager wants to send a notice to the bank, to the user, he could simply send it here. And the notice is been sent successfully. Now let's log out from the manager page and log in into the third functionality, which is cashier login. In cashier login, we have to enter the account number, get the info of the account holder name, bank name, and the current balance of the account holder. Here there are 2 more functionalities, which is withdraw and deposit. I'll keep my check number, the amount to be withdrawn, and that's it. My transaction has been done successfully. Now, if I want to deposit certain money into the account, I'll enter my check number and the money to be deposited. The transaction is being done successfully. Let's log out from the page. So this was our project regarding bank management system. As I mentioned earlier, we used MySQL for the backend, and front end we used PHP.